side-by-side blog spring drag race event. We started off on some tires that worked pretty good in the field, but they sucked here. So Kyle let us borrow his worn out Bighorns, and things turned around.
Stock 30s.
So yeah, 30-inch Bighorns just destroyed them, even though they're pretty worn. Just killed all the tires that we brought here. We should have brought some paddles.
Right. I mean, you got these big knobs on here. You'd think it'd work well, but
you think, but
these really didn't work well.
Didn't do it. So we got invited to go to the, I guess, end of the day shootout. There's 8 cars. There were 2 Razors.
2 Razors, yeah.
And then the rest of them were X3s.
Yeah.
And we got, I think we got second place.
Second place. Yeah.
And neck and neck with Chris and Howard with the other 240 car.
Pretty much the same, pretty close.
Yeah. So we lost to the Evo car, which that thing's pretty badass. It's got some paddles and
the paddles are
stage 6. So I didn't know what to expect. This is like a nonchalant event, so bringing paddles to it is kind of crazy, but we'll bring paddles next time.
That's what I like about the nonchalant event, that you kind of get to experiment.
Yeah.
And find what works.
Yeah, I mean, we swapped, we did this tire combo, drop tire pressure, did some other tires that I got, those sucked worse, put these back on, hated them, and then we came back and put the Bighorns on, then it started eating.
Yeah, and you kept dropping the Bighorns, and you get better every time.
So we were at 83 miles an hour at the end of this track, data logged.
That's a lot of time.
It might be a little bit more, because we're running, we put it at 29 pounds of boost.
Did you check that last run?
I haven't looked at the log yet.
I'll have to check that. It's probably higher.
So it was a good time though. I mean, we learned a lot, really. I mean, I think for the most like all-around tire that you can also drive on the street and actually have good results on the dirt, the Bighorn's probably hard to beat.
And everywhere I go, they work well.
Yeah.
And really, where I live, it's hard packed. It's kind of sandy up here, but it works well either way.
I didn't even bring the Liberties because they don't have the bite in the
Not
dirt.
sand, not up here.
So
it's Michigan sand.
But yeah, I mean, we're gonna toss in some GoPro footage. We had 1 point backwards, 1 point forwards. The thing's running freaking pretty damn well in the Motec for one day's worth of tuning. It's got a little bit different than the KWI X250 clutch. And once you really get to that point, Chris is going to make an adjustment. I mean, it's got to be adjusted.
He's going to have to pick per car because they're a little different.
Yeah.
Everyone's a little different.
So that's working badass. All we need to do is keep testing and keep pushing this platform a little further.
Keep developing.
Sweet, dude.